front of me is Motorola Razr 70, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Start by launching Devices Settings and scrolling to tap on Sound and Vibration. Then scroll again and this time click on this section called Vibration and Haptics. Now, to turn them on or switch them off, use this switcher at the top right corner. If you wanna adjust intensity of chosen options, you need to operate sliders below the chosen ones. Ring vibration, notification, alarm, touch feedback, and even media. You can also operate those switches to enable or disable haptic feedback for them. Vibrate first, then ring gradually. Vibrate for answered calls, and synchronize ring vibration. When you're finished with all of that, you can simply go back. Then last but not least, click on those two switches as well to enable or disable always show icon when in vibrate mode, and charging sounds and vibration. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!